In the series of drug of choice in the constipation, welcome to second episode. In the first episode, we spoke about Gandharva Haritiki, and Panchasakar Churna. Now in this episode, we will jump on to the fourth one, which is Avipattikar Churna. Avipattikar Churna, where main functional ingredient is Trivritta and Trikatu. This drug is mildly body-central purgative laxative. This area is referred as Pitta dominating area because Avipattikar primarily and very efficiently decreases Pitta and moderately cough and keeps Vat neutral if taken in proper dosage. So in hyperacidity, burning stool, in case of acid reflux, sour belching, pitta type of constipation, weak agni, you can use this Avipattikar Churna because it gives fabulous result in this case. This Avipattikar Churna does its action by Pitta Virichan, expelling excessive Pitta which is brought by Trivritta and which is one of the main ingredient in it, and by Ampachan which is brought by Trikatu. See, Aragvat Kampillakvati and Avipattikar Churna do the same thing, but Aragvat Kampillakvati is little bit strong and Avipattikar is little bit mild. See how it is to be taken, what is the dosage and what diet is to be followed while choosing this drug. All of it is mentioned on this paper, you can follow it. Fifth one is Aragvat Kampillakvati, a strong Virechak pill, where main ingredients are Aragvat, Cassia fistula and Campillak Malutus philippensis. See, it expels deep-seated pitta and cough dosh and arm because of its Tikshna Virechak property, destroys worms and harmful microorganisms because of its Crimigna property, and cleans blood by its Rakta Shodhak karma. See, it decreases pitta and cough in significant amount and may increase Vata dosh if overused it, and may increase dryness if used it for a long time. So it can be used in skin disease and strong patients. And it clears heavy and stubborn constipation. So you can use it as blood skin detox purgative. Now I'll jump on to the last laxative of this episode, which is Iksha Bhedi Ras. Please don't go for it unless and until you are planning for Panchakarma procedure because it is very heavy, very strong. Because of the ingredients that it has Parat, Gandhak and Jaipal. Because these drugs cause very forceful and heavy evacuation of the bowel. So use it carefully. Like I said, they have Ati Tikshna Virechan Karma property which causes forceful evacuation. They also do Sroto Shodhan, that's why they are used in Virechan Karma, one of the Panch Karma in Ayurveda. Other drugs are also there like Abhyadi Modak. You can use it for Panchkarma. Well, back to the point, it is used in absolute constipation and in emergency detox. I am asking you to avoid it because if patient is not examined properly, patient may collapse. So be careful while choosing this laxative. Well, if you know about any other laxative available in the market, then do mention it in the comment section. Tab tak ke liye, Jai Mata Di.